Hello everyone, welcome to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. This video is based on percentage tricks part 3. Part 1 and part 2 short tricks on percentage. I have posted the links in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's get into the video. What are the tricks we are going to learn in this? Percentage tricks. Let's consider the number 64. For this 64, we will find how much is 1% of 64, 5% of 64, 10% of 64, 20% of 64, 25% of 64, 50% of 64 and 100% of 64. Just by looking at the question, how we will write the percentage first, let's see. Let's start with the number first, 10%. 10% means it is divided by 10, means we'll keep a decimal just before one digit from the right hand side. So it will be 6.4. So after 10%, we will move on to 5%. 5 means how much it is? Half of 10. Half of 10 means this 6.4 we will divide it by 2. Easy method. So 6.4 divided by 2 is 3.2. So directly we will write 5% to be as 3.2. Now we will move on to 20%. 20 means 2 times 10 is 20. So 2 into 6.4 we will do. So 2 into 6.4 is 12.8. So 20% of 64 is 12.8. Now 25%. In the previous part 2 video also we have seen a chart. 25% means 1 by 4. So divide this number 64 by 4. So 64 divided by 4 is 16. Therefore 25% of 64 is 16. Now 50%. 50% means it's half. So divide this number by 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Now 100%. 100% means it's whole, complete whole. So directly we will write it to be as 64. Now 1% by 100. So 64 by 100 means we have to put a decimal after 2 digits from the right hand side. So it will be 0.64. See here, you can observe we did not do any working like 20 by 100 into 64, reducing to the lowest terms. Nothing we have done. Starting we found out for the 10%. From that easily we can get all the other percentage. So once you practice this kind of things by looking at the question, we will get the answer. Now, before going into the trick, let's see one formula. What is x% of y? X% means x by 100, of means into multiplication into y. So it will be x by 100 into y, which is equals to x into y is xy by 100. Now in the same way, we will find what is y% of x. Y% means y by 100, of means into x. So y into x, it is yx by 100. If you observe first bit and the second bit, both the places we got the same answer, xy by 100 or yx by 100. So it means x% of y is equals to y% of x, which is equals to xy by 100. So now we are going to apply this rule and solve the percentage problems quickly. What is 19% of 50? Using the previous rule, we will solve this problem. What did we see? X% of y is same as y% of x. Now here if I consider x to be as 19% and y to be as 50, that is 19% of 50 is same as 50% of 19. We'll get the same answer, the meaning. So now this one I'm replacing it with 50% of 90. And we have seen in part 2 video 50% is in the fraction to be as it is half. So 50% I will replace as half, of means into 19. So here calculation also, just before number even number you take 18. So 2 9s are 18 it is. And 1 is left over. Half of 1 is 0.5. Therefore 9.5 is your answer. You can, using this method, you can solve in fraction of seconds. Now let's see one more example. What is 32% of 25? Same this formula, y% of x is same as x% of y. We will replace it as 25% of 32 now. So from the chart in the part 2 video, 25% means it is 1 by 4 of into 32. So 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32. So 8 is your answer. Only the thing is the percentage into fraction, how much it is, the value you have to remember so that you can solve it easily. What is 84% of 110? We will apply the same rule. Now we will consider this to be as 110% of 84. So now how to find 110%? Like general method, 110 by 100 into 84 and we will reduce. But here we will use a splitting method. So 110, now I'll be writing it to be as 100 plus 10% of 84. So now if you consider 100% of 84, we will find, and 10% of 84, it will be very easy. 100% of 84 means complete whole it is. So it will be 84 itself, and 10% of 84. Just we have to keep a decimal before 1 point from the right. So it will be 8.4. So add both the things now. It will be 4 in the here, and 8 plus 4, it is 12, 1 carry over 9. So 84% of 110 is 92.4. So easy, right? So by using the splitting method, we can find the percentages. Now let's find out what is 96% of 125. So using the rule, now I will convert this to be as 125% of 96. You should get the idea where we have to convert and where we should not take. Like in the previous videos, if you observe 90% 120. So 0, 0 we are cancelling and directly we are multiplying. Or 30% of 40 means 0, 0 cancel, 3 4s are 12. Here there are no zeros. So in this kind of situations, we can use this formula. So 125% of 96. Now splitting method we use. 125 I will write it to be as 100 plus 25% of 96. Now 100% of 96, 100% means it's complete whole. So it is 96 itself. Now 25% of 96. 25% means it's 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 96. So when we divide with 4, 96, we will get 24. Now add these two numbers. So how much will be getting? 120. Therefore, 96% of 125 is 120. The thing is you should remember percentage into fraction 1, and where you have to split it, how you can split, you can write it that. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do share it with your friends. Thank you all.